In this video, we're going to look at creating a spawn point for our character. So let's go down to our beach here. Get a good little looky-loo around. And once again, we're going to go to our roll-up bar, Objects, Entity. This time, instead of down in Triggers, we're going to come about halfway down here to Multiplayer. And right in here, we will see Spawn Point. Make sure our terrain selection is on, and let's drag that in. Now, when we go and look at this, once we got it in, we can see the direction that he'll be facing by the little guy on here. So you can adjust that however you want. And we can also look at placing him wherever we want. Move him around as needed. And we're good to go. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in here and game test this by going to our game mode and then hitting F2. And we spawned right where we were supposed to, facing the direction we were supposed to. And when we come running up and we cross our little barrier, there's our bad guy walking. So perfect. Everything's running just great. So now what we're going to do, that we have our spawn in place, so we're going to save our file. And then we're going to hit Export to Engine. And we will click on that, and what that basically does is compresses everything so that we have a launchable file from our computer system. So we're going to close this out, and I will pause the video while I pull up my folder. Alright, and not wanting to share all of my folders on my computer with the world, all I did was go to the same folder where my editor is, and slightly below that you will see a blue icon that says Launcher that looks just like your editor, except it's blue instead of orange. So we will launch our in-game player. And we will pick our level, and we will load. And we will hope that my system doesn't crash on me. But as you can see, here we are all loaded up, and I'm switched over to my nighttime, which means I probably grabbed the wrong file on here. But at any rate, our spawn point worked. So let's get out of here and get back in there to setting everything up. Alright, and back in our editor, we are ready to finish out this video and move on to our last technical video, which will be going back to sound. See you there.